Welcome to our exploration of how engineered microbes are transforming our environment for the better. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of environmental applications, where tiny organisms are designed to tackle some of our planet's biggest challenges. From cleaning up pollution to capturing carbon and supporting sustainable agriculture, these microscopic powerhouses are making a big impact. Let's begin by understanding what microbial engineering is and why it's such a promising field for environmental innovation. As we move forward, you'll see real-world examples and learn how these advances are shaping a greener future. Engineered microbes are microorganisms that have been genetically modified to perform specific tasks. Scientists use advanced techniques to alter their DNA, enabling them to break down pollutants, capture carbon dioxide, or even boost crop growth. These modifications turn ordinary bacteria or fungi into specialized tools for environmental management. By harnessing the natural abilities of microbes and enhancing them through engineering, we can address issues that traditional methods struggle to solve. This innovative approach is opening up new possibilities for a cleaner and more sustainable world. Bioremediation is a process where living organisms like engineered microbes are used to clean up contaminated environments. These microbes can break down harmful substances such as oil spills, heavy metals, or toxic chemicals, turning them into harmless byproducts. This method is often more cost-effective and environmentally friendly compared to traditional cleanup techniques. By deploying specific strains of microbes tailored to different pollutants, scientists can target and neutralize environmental hazards with remarkable precision. Bioremediation is a prime example of how biotechnology is making our world safer and cleaner. One of the most dramatic uses of engineered microbes is in cleaning up oil spills. Certain bacteria have been modified to consume hydrocarbons, the main components of oil. When released into affected areas, these microbes multiply and break down the oil into less harmful substances like carbon dioxide and water. This process not only helps restore ecosystems, but also reduces the long-term impact of oil pollution. By using nature's own recyclers, we can respond to environmental disasters more quickly and effectively than ever before. Engineered microbes are also used to remove heavy metals from soil and water. These metals, like lead or mercury, can be toxic to both humans and wildlife. By modifying microbes to bind or transform these metals, scientists can safely extract them from contaminated sites. This approach is especially valuable in areas affected by industrial waste or mining. The result is cleaner soil and water, making environments safer for communities and ecosystems alike. Pollutants, like pesticides or industrial chemicals, are difficult to remove using conventional methods. Engineered microbes can be designed to break down these complex compounds into harmless substances. By targeting specific chemical bonds, these microbes neutralize toxins that would otherwise persist in the environment for years. This targeted approach not only speeds up cleanup, but also minimizes the need for harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. Carbon capture is a critical tool in the fight against climate change. Engineered microbes can be used to absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere or industrial emissions. Some bacteria are modified to convert CO2 into useful products like biofuels or building materials. By integrating these microbes into industrial processes or natural ecosystems, we can reduce greenhouse gas levels and help slow global warming. This innovative use of biology is paving the way for a more sustainable future. An exciting application of microbial carbon capture is the production of biofuels. Engineered microbes can convert captured carbon dioxide into fuels like ethanol or biodiesel. This process not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions but also provides a renewable energy source. By replacing fossil fuels with bio-based alternatives, we can decrease our reliance on non-renewable resources and move towards a cleaner energy future. Beyond fuels, engineered microbes can also turn captured carbon dioxide into valuable building materials. Some bacteria are designed to produce substances like bioplastics or even concrete-like materials. These products can be used in construction, reducing the carbon footprint of buildings and infrastructure. By transforming waste CO2 into useful resources, we're finding creative ways to close the carbon loop and promote sustainability in unexpected places. Engineered microbes are making a big difference in agriculture too. By enhancing the natural abilities of soil bacteria, scientists can help crops grow more efficiently and with fewer chemical inputs. These microbes can fix nitrogen, promote root growth, or protect plants from pests and diseases. The result is healthier crops, higher yields, and a reduced need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. This approach supports sustainable farming and helps ensure food security for a growing population. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth, but most crops can't use the nitrogen found in the air. Engineered microbes can convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can absorb, a process known as nitrogen fixation. By introducing these microbes into the soil, farmers can reduce their reliance on synthetic fertilizers, which are energy-intensive to produce and can harm the environment. This natural solution helps create more sustainable and eco-friendly agricultural systems. Some engineered microbes are designed to protect plants from diseases and pests. By producing natural antibiotics or outcompeting harmful organisms, these microbes act as a biological shield for crops. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides, which can have negative effects on the environment and human health. Healthier plants mean better yields and more resilient agricultural systems, benefiting both farmers and consumers. Healthy soil is the foundation of sustainable agriculture. Engineered microbes can help improve soil structure by producing substances that bind soil particles together. This enhances water retention, reduces erosion, and supports the growth of beneficial organisms. Better soil structure leads to stronger plants and more productive farms, all while reducing the need for artificial soil amendments. Fertilizer runoff is a major environmental problem, leading to water pollution and harmful algal blooms. Engineered microbes can help by making nutrients more available to plants, reducing the amount of fertilizer needed. This not only saves farmers money but also protects rivers, lakes, and oceans from nutrient overload. Cleaner waterways mean healthier ecosystems and safer drinking water for everyone. Organic farmers often rely on natural methods to maintain soil fertility and control pests. Engineered microbes can be tailored to fit organic practices, providing targeted benefits without synthetic chemicals. These microbes can help organic farms boost yields, improve soil health, and maintain certification standards. By integrating biotechnology with traditional farming, we can create more resilient and productive food system. Climate change brings new challenges for agriculture, including drought, heat, and unpredictable weather. Engineered microbes can help crops adapt by improving their tolerance to stress. Some microbes help plants retain water while others boost resistance to disease or extreme temperatures. By supporting plant health in tough conditions, these microbes play a key role in building climate-resilient food systems. Instead of using a single type of engineered microbe, scientists often create consortia, groups of different microbes that work together. These microbial teams can perform multiple functions such as fixing nitrogen, breaking down organic matter, and protecting plants. By mimicking natural ecosystems, consortia offer a more balanced and effective approach to sustainable agriculture. Let's look at a real-world example. After a major oil spill, scientists deployed engineered bacteria designed to break down hydrocarbons. Over several weeks, these microbes reduced oil concentrations dramatically, helping restore the affected coastline. This case highlights the power of biotechnology to address environmental disasters and protect natural habitats. Another example, a manufacturing plant integrated engineered microbes into its exhaust system. These microbes captured carbon dioxide emissions and converted them into useful chemicals. The result was a significant reduction in greenhouse gases and a new revenue stream from the sale of bio-based products. This demonstrates how environmental and economic goals can align through microbial engineering. Farm in the Midwest adopted engineered microbes to improve soil fertility and crop yields. By reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, the farm lowered its environmental impact and increased profitability. This case shows how biotechnology can make agriculture more sustainable and resilient, benefiting both farmers and the planet. While the potential of engineered microbes is enormous, there are challenges to overcome. Ensuring that these organisms are safe for the environment and do not disrupt natural ecosystems is a top priority. Scientists must carefully test and monitor engineered microbes before releasing them into the wild. Regulatory frameworks and public acceptance also play important roles in the adoption of these technologies. To protect natural ecosystems, scientists use containment strategies and genetic safeguards. These measures ensure that engineered microbes do not spread uncontrollably or exchange genes with wild populations. Ongoing monitoring and risk assessments are essential to maintain environmental safety and public trust in these technologies. Governments and international organizations are developing regulations to guide the use of engineered microbes. These frameworks set standards for safety testing, environmental impact assessments, and public engagement. Clear regulations help ensure that new technologies are used responsibly and transparently, balancing innovation with precaution. Public understanding and acceptance are crucial for the success of microbial engineering. Transparent communication about the benefits and risks helps build trust. Educational initiatives and community involvement can address concerns and ensure that diverse perspectives are considered in decision-making. Looking ahead, advances in genetic engineering and synthetic biology will enable even more effective bioremediation strategies. Scientists are developing microbes that can target a wider range of pollutants and adapt to challenging environments. These innovations promise faster, safer, and more comprehensive cleanup solutions for contaminated sites worldwide. The future of microbial carbon capture is bright. Researchers are exploring new ways to integrate engineered microbes into industrial systems, natural habitats, and even urban environments. By scaling up these technologies, we can make a significant dent in global carbon emissions and move closer to climate goals. Synthetic biology is revolutionizing how we design and build microbes. By assembling genetic parts like building blocks, scientists can create custom organisms with precise functions. This approach allows for rapid innovation and the development of microbes tailored to specific environmental challenges. Engineered microbes can also act as living sensors, detecting pollutants in soil, water, or air. These microbes change color or produce light when they encounter specific chemicals, providing an early warning system for contamination. This technology enables faster responses to environmental hazards and more effective monitoring of cleanup efforts. Wastewater treatment plants are increasingly using engineered microbes to break down organic waste and remove contaminants. These microbes can target specific pollutants, making the treatment process more efficient and environmentally friendly. Cleaner water means healthier communities and ecosystems downstream. Freshwater scarcity is a growing concern worldwide. Engineered microbes are being developed to help desalinate seawater, making it safe for drinking and irrigation. By harnessing biological processes, we can create more sustainable and energy-efficient solutions to water shortages. Plastic pollution is a major environmental issue. Scientists are engineering microbes that can break down plastics into harmless components. These microbes offer a promising solution for managing plastic waste and reducing its impact on land and oceans. Mining for metals can be environmentally damaging, but engineered microbes offer a cleaner alternative. In a process called bioleaching, microbes extract metals from ores without the need for harsh chemicals. This reduces pollution and energy use, making mining more sustainable. Degraded lands can be difficult to restore, but engineered microbes can help. By improving soil health and promoting plant growth, these microbes accelerate the recovery of damaged ecosystems. This approach is especially valuable in areas affected by deforestation, mining, or industrial activity. Air pollution is a serious health risk, but engineered microbes can help clean the air. Some microbes are designed to absorb or break down airborne pollutants, improving indoor and outdoor air quality. This technology could be especially useful in urban areas and industrial settings. Microbial fuel cells use engineered bacteria to generate electricity from organic waste. These systems offer a renewable source of energy while also treating waste. By turning pollution into power, microbial fuel cells represent a win-win for the environment and energy production. Engineered microbes can convert waste materials into valuable resources such as fertilizers, fuels, or chemicals. This circular approach reduces landfill use and supports a more sustainable economy. By closing the loop, we can turn environmental challenges into opportunities. Traditional plastics are made from fossil fuels and persist in the environment. Engineered microbes can produce bioplastics from renewable sources, offering a biodegradable alternative. These bioplastics break down naturally, reducing pollution and supporting a greener future. Cities are turning to engineered microbes to support urban green spaces. These microbes can improve soil health, support plant growth, and even help manage stormwater. Greener cities mean cleaner air, cooler temperatures, and better quality of life for residents. Engineered microbes can help restore and protect biodiversity. By supporting the growth of native plants and controlling invasive species, these microbes contribute to healthier and more resilient ecosystems. Biodiversity is essential for ecosystem stability and human well-being. Natural disasters can leave behind pollution and damaged land. Engineered microbes offer rapid and effective solutions for disaster recovery, from cleaning up chemical spills to restoring soil health. Their adaptability and efficiency make them valuable tools in emergency response. Water scarcity is a global issue, but engineered microbes can help conserve water in agriculture and industry. By improving soil water retention and reducing the need for irrigation, these microbes support more efficient use of this precious resource. Food waste is a major environmental concern. Engineered microbes can break down food waste into compost, biogas, or other useful products. This reduces landfill use and greenhouse gas emissions, turning waste into valuable resources for communities. Beyond biofuels, engineered microbes are being used to produce hydrogen and other renewable energy sources. These biological processes offer cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels and help diversify our energy portfolio for a sustainable future. Solving environmental challenges with engineered microbes requires global collaboration. Scientists, policymakers, and communities around the world are working together to share knowledge, set standards, and ensure responsible use of these technologies. International cooperation is key to maximizing benefits and minimizing risks. Engineered microbes are opening up new possibilities for environmental protection, from cleaning up pollution to supporting sustainable agriculture and capturing carbon. As science advances, these tiny organisms will play an even bigger role in building a greener, healthier planet. By embracing innovation and working together, we can harness the power of microbes to solve some of our most pressing environmental challenges.